Hey everyone, welcome to Blockchain Insights. Today, we're going to break down blockchain in the next 5 minutes. Imagine this, your bank just hit you with a $35 fee for a transfer that failed. Then, a hacker steals millions and on top of that, your payment has been pending for 3 days. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Big problem. But, what if I told you there's a technology that makes all of this impossible? Blockchain is like a magic notebook that everyone has a copy of. Write something, everyone's copy updates instantly. Try to cheat, everyone sees it. Try to hack it, you'd need to hack thousands of copies at once. Literally impossible. It's a chain of blocks. Each block is a container of transactions locked with math so complex, even supercomputers can't crack it. Once it's in, it's there forever. No banks, no middlemen, no BS. This structure provides security, transparency, and trust without relying on traditional intermediaries, reducing fraud and errors. Let's see this in action. Assume a situation where 4 friends, Alex, Jamie, Sam, and Casey, went for dinner and Alex paid the dinner bill, and everyone owes him Bitcoin. Jamie sends 2 Bitcoin. Here's what happens in the next 10 minutes. Step 1. Jamie's transaction is signed with her private key, her digital signature that proves it's really her. No one else can fake this. In step 2, this transaction shoots out to thousands of computers worldwide, to the miners. Remember, these guys are in a race to solve an insanely hard math puzzle. But why? The winner gets rewarded. Assume currently 1 Bitcoin cost $90,000. So 6.25 Bitcoin worth $562,000. But wait, this is just a number. The winner will be rewarded as per his effort for solving the puzzle. Now let's go into the step 3. The first miner to solve the puzzle wins. They take Jamie's transaction plus thousands of others and pack them into a single block. This block is then linked to the previous block using something called a hash. A hash is like a digital fingerprint of the block. Think of it as a unique ID. If anything changes inside the block, the fingerprint changes. That's how blocks get chained together, and that's why we call it a blockchain. In step 4, this new block is broadcast to every computer on the network. Everyone updates their copy. So, the Alex's wallet gets updates that transaction is completed. So now, this transaction is permanent, irreversible, and forever recorded. Nobody can change it. But wait, what if a hacker tries to cheat? Let's say a hacker changes Jamie's 2 Bitcoin to 0.1 Bitcoin in one copy. Sounds bad, right? Wrong. Remember, 10,000 other computers have the correct copy. When the hacker's fake block tries to join, it gets rejected instantly. Let me tell you, the network is democratic. It's majority rules. Yes, 1 fake versus 9,999 real. So hacker fails and it gets denied. To actually hack blockchain, you'd need to hack more than half of all computers on the network. That's thousands of computers. In addition, you need to solve all those math puzzles again with higher computational speed, faster than the entire network. Certainly it is very costly. Billions of dollars required for this, as well as significant time to crack these hash. Importantly, the success rate is nearly 0. This is why blockchain is called unhackable. It's not that it can't be hacked. It's that it's so expensive and difficult, it's not worth hacking. However, there is a quantum threat, and we'll leave this discussion until next time. On the other hand, traditional banking systems often have a single point of failure, making them vulnerable, whereas blockchain's distributed nature provides thousands of verification points. Here's where it gets insane. Blockchain isn't just for Bitcoin. In fact, your medical records stored on blockchain, you can control who sees them. Similarly, hospitals can't lose them, and hackers can't steal them. In today's time, every step is considered as a block. Yes, we're talking smart contracts that auto-execute, NFTs proving, depicting the true ownership of digital art, social media where you own your data, not Zuckerberg, This is the future. No banks skimming 3%, no middlemen taking cuts, no governments controlling your money. Just peer-to-peer trust verified by math. If this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe for more blockchain breakdowns that actually make sense, and share this with that friend who still thinks crypto is a scam. Let's educate the world together. I'm your host 𝗤𝗏𝗍𝒻 Khan, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye-bye.